Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use your photo gallery. So let's jump right in. When you get the photo gallery, there's a couple of things that you can do in order to communicate what photos you want me to print or add to your album. But let's explain something about the gallery link that you get. So this is the first one that you get in your email. And there's a little bit of explanations here. And the most important part is the password, because you're going to need that in order to download your photos to your computer. So make sure you take a note of that. And the second one, which is a cool little feature, is that you can save the photos on your phone. So you just have to click here to download the app and then click here to view it on the gallery. So all this you can do from your phone, which is pretty neat. Alright, so when you click here or here, it takes you right into the gallery page. This is all your photos are going to be. And the main thing about selecting the photos is that you want to go here first to select photos and say that you want to download them to your computer. You're going to go and select all right away and then hit download. This is going to prompt you to put your email address here. I already have it, but most likely you will need to punch it in and then hit request. What this is going to do is going to send you an email directly to your inbox with a zip file where you can download the photos to your computer. All right. Next, we're going to create a selection. So say that you chose a package that had, 28 by 10s and you needed more time to select which those were going to be. So you come home, now you can look through the gallery and select the photos that you want. So I don't know if you saw what I did there, but I basically did the same thing. Started with select photos, and then instead of clicking all, I'm going to click each one that I want to be part of my selection. So say this one, I want this one, and you move along the gallery depending on what you want. So you can click on the middle, you can click on the side, it works either way. Once you have your selection, you go up and then you add to favorites. This is going to automatically add it to a folder that's right here, right? I added to this folder, and I'll be able to see it right away. It'll tell me that this is your selection. So say that you want to do another set of selections and say album, let's put album number 2 because I have already an album folder there. So you're going to create it. So you're going to have this selection in your gallery and you're going to click create by add new set. I put the name, and now this is the new set where we're going to select the new photos. So again, select photos, click, 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 and then add to favorites. And boom, it just added 3 more photos to there. So you see, I got my selection here with 14 photos, and then you can click on it and see to review your selection. And that's it. All this I'm going to get directly, so there's no need to email me unless you have any other questions. So I hope this helped, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.